Hi, it's Lindsay from Buy Sell Love Durham. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of my Tuesday morning market update. It's my opportunity weekly to share with Durham Region exactly what's happening with real estate. Now, I've got a blog link that's tied into the notes section of this video, and it's about something that happened last week, which is interesting. We had multiple offers on one of my listings, and one of the agents brought in an offer with a really fast closing date, which we couldn't accommodate. And skipping back to the last time we went through troubled times like this, where the mortgage rates went up, people were getting pre-approvals that were expiring, and if they lost those pre-approvals, they would have to buy a property with a higher mortgage rate. So what she did was, I think they had like a 3-week date they needed to get the property closed. So I come up with an idea that we used successfully back in the late 80s, early 90s, about closing the property in about 3 weeks, but allowing the seller to stay back as a renter until they got moved on to where they were going to go. And it would be easy for me with 4 decades of experience to wag my finger and say, you know, this gay gal didn't know anything about this. But the reality was, when I mentioned that, she researched it, found a clause, shot it back to me and said, is this what you're talking about? Because she'd never heard of it before. And I guess what I saw was that creativity that exists in putting deals together out there right now. It is so refreshing to see. Refreshing that some agents will go over and above what they need to do just to get their buyers into houses or to get the properties sold. So I got the video link or the blog link tagged into the notes section of this video. Check it out if you get an opportunity. So let's just jump straight into the numbers. In the last 7 days, we've had 211 homes come to market. That's down 15 from the week before. Now remember, we are the week before the kids go back to school. So parents are at cottages, sipping sangria, at beaches, and they're not buying houses. I mean, the distraction level is really high. We've had 51 homes leave the market sold conditionally. We've had 104 homes leave the market sold firm. So in total, we've had 155 homes sell in the last 7 days. That's down 3 from the week before. So which means the last couple of weeks have been very flatlined as far as how many houses are hitting the market for sale and how many are leaving sold. So it's pretty typical this time of year. If you get an opportunity, check out my blog that's tagged in. If you've got any questions of the market, I can be reached at 905 area code 743-5555, or my email address is on the screen. Have a great week, the entirety of Durham Region.